Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the official Microsoft Word app and signing into your Microsoft account. This ensures access to templates and OneDrive sync. Once installed, open the app and accept storage and camera permissions so you can open, save, and scan documents. Make sure Auto-Save is toggled on for OneDrive files to prevent data loss. If you prefer local files, note where the app stores downloads. Now tap New to create a document and pick a template so you're ready to edit. You'll now focus on editing. Tap the Home tab to access bold, italics, and styles for consistent headings and spacing. Once text is selected, use the floating toolbar or ribbon commands to apply formatting. This saves rework later. Make sure to use Insert for images or tables. Images can be resized with pinch gestures and set to wrap text for layout control. Also use Find and Replace to fix repeated errors quickly. When done, review in Print Layout to confirm final appearance before saving or sharing. You finish by saving and exporting. Tap the menu to save or export as PDF and choose OneDrive for continuous backup. Once saved, use Share to send a link or attachment and set editing permissions to control collaborators. If something goes wrong, sync stalled or file won't open, first check your network, then sign out and back into the app to refresh credentials. Force upload the file from the File menu if needed. Finally, keep the app updated to avoid known bugs and maintain compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.